Hey everyone, John here with How to Film Weddings, and today I'm going to be talking to you about why I deleted over 10,000 of my followers on Instagram. The way Instagram works is that when you post a photo, they show it to about 5 to 10% of the people that actually follow you. If nobody interacts with those photos, Instagram says this photo's not worthy, we're not going to show it to anybody else, and it kind of fades off. Nobody else sees it, none of your followers see it, which is a bummer. About a week ago, I had a little over 14,000 followers on Instagram, which looks and sounds great, and when people come to my profile, it looks great, but the problem was when I would post a photo, nobody was seeing the photo. And as I dug in a little bit deeper, I realized that there were thousands and thousands of accounts that followed me that were not real people, or they were spam, or they were businesses that were just trying to get a follow back. So what I did is I took the time and I started deleting and blocking some of these followers. And I found this app called Cleaner, and I'll link it in the description below. But it helped me and allowed me to go through and mass touch people's faces, and it would let me delete and block more than one person at a time. And so I looked at it and I thought, I have to get better interaction. I would rather have a smaller number of people follow me, but be real people. So I went through and I spent like 8 hours last weekend, and I deleted and deleted and deleted and deleted until I got down to about 3,300 followers. And then I posted a photo and it said, hey everyone, I just blocked 10,000 followers. If you're a real person, can you just comment below? Just say hi, and I want to make sure that people are actually seeing this. And what that did was it showed me that there were several hundred people that were seeing my photo, and it really helped me make sure that I was engaging with them. Since then, every single photo that I've posted has gone from getting somewhere around 20 to 30 likes to getting over 100 to 200 likes and comments. Not only that, every single day I've been adding 3 to 5 new real followers that I can tell are real, that are friends of people that already follow me, and I'm getting a ton of great interaction. I've actually had a couple people even message me about booking their wedding in the last couple of days just because they saw me on Instagram. So if you haven't already, go through your followers, make sure the people that are following you are real. The number does not matter. If you have 200 people that are following you, but they're real and they're interacting with you, that's great. That's all you really need. How many people do you really need following you to book 20 weddings a year or 25 weddings a year? So make sure that you go through there. If you see somebody that's definitely not real, block them. Make sure that they're not able to see your stuff so you can show up to real people. And do yourself a favor, when you're posting a photo, ask people to comment below. Ask them to interact with you. It'll help your engagement for sure. If this video has helped you at all, do us a favor, subscribe below, and we will see you in the next video.